So guys, we've just finished the paperwork. Now is the moment of truth. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's a very special day because we are going for shopping, and that's a very big shopping. We are going to buy a car, and me and Prame, we are on our way. So hopefully, let's see, I've just planned to buy a Suzuki car. So we are on our way towards the showroom, and after that we're gonna do some modifications. Here guys.
No problem.
Namaskar.
So guys, we've just finished the paperwork. Now is the moment of truth. Right over there is the beauty inside, so we are going inside now. So these are the varieties of cars which is on sale. So guys, for your information, this is all a pre-owned car. So there you go. Here is my beauty. This is the one which we have selected, and it's booked and it's ready to be delivered. So here you go guys. We're gonna turn this beauty into a monster.
Hey guys, if you really like my video, please do subscribe, get notified with the bell icon, like, share, and stay tuned for more videos.